Adverbs. Please make sure that you have written a heading in color. Adverbs over 2 lines. Then at the bottom of that, you've written the word bywoorde in quotation marks. So in Afrikaans is 'n adverb 'n bywoord. Net soos met Afrikaans, kry jy in Engels ook 'n bywoord van tyd, bywoord van plek en 'n bywoord van wyse. In Afrikaans kry jy ook 'n bywoord van graad. For English, we are only getting to adverb of degree later on during this year. For now, we are only going to discuss 3 types of adverbs. After you've written your heading, please write the word verb in color and then write doing or action word. So a verb is a doing or action word. Then you write adverbs, also in color, and in blue pen, modify or tells us more about the verb. So an adverb tells us more about a verb. Types of adverbs. The first type of adverb is manner. The key question you ask yourself is how. How is the boy singing? How is the girl kicking? How are they running? If you can answer the question how next to the verb, you are working with manner. For example, she runs quickly. He writes well. They talk fast. It is describing how she's talking, how she's running, and how she's writing. Please write the heading, types of adverbs, and draw a cloud around it in color. Then you leave a line open. You write number 1, manner. Manner can also be written nice and big over 2 lines, also with color. And in brackets, you write how with a question mark, because that is the question you have to ask yourself to determine if you are working with manner. Then you can leave a line open, write, for example, and then these 3 examples: quickly, well, and fast. These are definitely not the only examples, as you can see here in the right-hand corner. These are just for the video. You do not have to write these words down. It just gives you more options: briskly, brutally, cheerfully, expertly, randomly, and so forth. Now we get to place. Please write number 2, and then you write place in color, also over 2 lines, and in brackets you write where. So where is this verb happening? Our examples: here, there, nowhere, near, and far. Again, these are only some of the examples that are highlighted. There are a lot more. Make sure you leave a line open after place, and then in blue pen you write these examples. Some other examples are downstairs, everywhere, in, inside, outside, somewhere, underground, upstairs. All words that point to a place. I can use the following examples. She is standing over there. Where is she standing? Over there. So over there will then be an adverb of place. I play netball at school. My verb, play. Where do I play? I play at school. My adverb of place will then be at school. The third type of adverb is time. Write number 3, then time in color over 2 lines, and in brackets your key question will be when. When is this action taking place? Leave a line open, then you write your examples. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, now, soon, immediately. These are only a few of the examples. More include early, first, last, later, never, regularly. So there are a lot of examples. Let's try and use some in a sentence. I spoke to her yesterday. My verb, spoke. When did I speak? Yesterday. So my adverb of time is yesterday. They answered my question immediately. When did they answer my question? immediately. So my adverb of time is immediately. Let's do this example together. The sentence is, the children were asked nicely to clean their classroom yesterday. First, you need to know what is the verb in this sentence. The verb in this sentence is were asked. So please write the word example, leave a line open, and write this sentence in your books. Then you either underline or write were asked in color, and then make a note that it is the verb. Now that you know the verb, you have to ask the 3 questions and test to see what type of adverb is present. How were the children asked? They were asked nicely. So nicely is an adverb of manner. We don't say adverb of how. How is just the question we use. We say nicely will be an adverb of manner. So this is an adverb. Then let's see if there are more examples. When were the children asked? They were asked yesterday. Yesterday is also an adverb. If we could answer the question when, it makes yesterday an adverb of time. Not of when, that's just the question, of time. So yesterday is also an adverb. You can circle these 2 adverbs in color and then write underneath them adverb. Let's go back to the verb, were asked. Where were the children asked? You cannot answer the question for where. They were asked to clean their classroom, but they were not asked inside the classroom. So be careful. They were not asked inside the classroom. They were asked to clean the classroom. They did not specify where these children were asked. So there is no example for place. In your books, I want you to write the question how, make a hyphen, manner equals nicely, then leave a line open, when, hyphen, time, and then yesterday. You don't have to write the 3rd example as there was not an adverb of place present in this sentence. To end off, here are some more examples. You ask yourself how, then you are working with an adverb of manner. You ask where, then you are working with an adverb of place. And when, it is an adverb of time. For now, we are using adverbs to describe or tell us more about the verbs. But adverbs can also be used to describe adjectives as well as other adverbs. But for now, we are only discussing the 3 types of adverbs, and all of them tell us more about a verb.